Hey guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to go over double spacing in Microsoft Word. So here we have a document, a couple paragraphs. We'll take out the extra spaces here. A couple paragraphs, but we want to make it double spaced. What you want to do is select all your text. Easiest way to do that, you could click and drag. Control A is select all. So I'm going to do Control A. And then you're going to go to Design, Paragraph Spacing, and here's your built-in paragraph spacing options. So you have no paragraph space, compact, tight, open, relaxed, and double. So we're going to choose double. Let me see, we have a couple extra spaces in there. We'll get rid of those. And that's how you set Word to double paragraph spacing. All right. You guys have a good day. I hope this is helpful. Subscribe and like.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.